Hey there, tech enthusiast. Did you know in the world of C++, the break and continue statements play a crucial role in shaping the flow of your programs? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of C++ break and continue. Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to explore the fundamental concepts of C++ break and continue statements and why they are essential tools for every programmer out there. These statements hold the power to control the execution of loops and switch statements, making your code more efficient and dynamic. Imagine you are working on a complex program with multiple nested loops, and you need to exit a loop prematurely or skip certain iterations. This is where the break and continue statements come into rescue. They provide a way to handle such scenarios effortlessly, saving you valuable time and effort. So let's take a closer look at the syntax of the uses of C++ break and continue statements. Okay, so at first we are going to look for the break statement. So I am writing the basic syntax: include iostream, and I am including the string also. Using namespace standard. Okay, now let me write the main function. Okay, so at first we are going to discuss about the break statement. So the break statement allows you to exit a loop immediately. Okay, so let us take a for loop. Okay, so for so we have studied about the loop in our previous lectures. So if you haven't seen our previous lecture, please go to our channel and go to the C++ complete tutorial section. There you will find out the complete tutorial of C++. So we have known in our earlier video that in the for section we have three parts. The first part is initialization. So here I am initializing a variable which is I, and it will start from 1, and I am assigning the value 1. Okay, and the next part was our condition part. So I should be less than or equal to 5. Okay, then our incremental part, the I will increase by 1. So for that I am writing I plus plus. Okay, then now suppose we want to print cout I. We are printing the just value of I. So this is a simple loop here. Now let me run the program and see what is the output. Then we are going to use the break statement. Okay, it should give me 1 to 5. Yeah, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so what if we want that the loop should exit when it reaches 3? Okay, so for that what we have to do is we have to write a condition here. I am writing a condition if. So in the if condition we have the syntax of the if condition. Here we have to write the condition, and here we have to write the code which is to be executed. Okay, so now I am writing that if I is equal to 3, when i's value is 3, then we are going to break it. Okay, we are going to use the break statement. So what we have learned that the break statement allows us to exit the loop immediately. Okay, so that means what we are going to see, let us see the output. Okay, let us run the program and see the output here. Okay, you can see here we have got the output 1 and 2. That means when the loop has come to 3, the condition matches when the iteration comes to i's value has been gradually added one by one, and whenever it reaches 3, it immediately exits the loop. It doesn't continue the loop further. Okay, so this is the basic concept of the break statement. So I am trying to summarize this up again. So what we did is we have taken a loop here where we are printing from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we want that whenever the i's value reaches 3, we want to exit the loop. We don't want to continue further. So for that we are using this break statement. And what does the break statement do? I am commenting here and I am writing for you all. The break statement allows you to exit a loop immediately. Okay, so here whenever the i's value is 3, whenever it reaches 3, it is stop iterating and it gets out of the loop. So that's why we got the result 1 and 2. Okay, I hope this part is clear for you all. Okay, so our next topic is continue statement. So for the continue statement, I am just creating a new file here, continue.cpp. Okay, so I am just taking this same problem here for the continue statement also. Okay, so at first let me tell you the theory of the continue statement. Let me write it here, okay, so that you can see here. The continue statement skips the remaining code in the current iteration and moves to the next one. Okay, so this is the theory of the continue statement. So what we have did in break statement is that the break statement exits whenever this condition is been fulfilled. It will exit the entire loop. But in continue, what it does is whenever this condition has been matched, then it skips this position, then it skips this position. That means the output should be 1, 2, 4 and 5. It won't print 3. It will skip this part. Okay, let me change this break to continue. Okay, now let us see the output. Our output should return here. Our output should return 1, 2, 4 and 5. This part, whenever this condition matches, whenever the i's value will be 3, it will skip that portion and it will continue the iteration to the next one. It will skip the current iteration. Okay, and the remaining code will be executed properly. Okay, so let us run the code. Okay, let us see. Yeah, you can see the output is 1, 2, 4 and 5. It has skipped this iteration and the remaining code has been executed. So to wrap things up, I am going to just summarize the break and continue statement once again. The break statement allows you to exit the loop immediately. That means whenever you are breaking the statement, it won't execute further. It will meet the requirement and it won't execute further program. Okay, it will get out of the loop. And in the continue section or in the continue, you are just skipping the condition. Whenever in this example the i's value, whenever it will be 3, it will skip that current iteration and move to the next one. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting programming tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.